Hi everyone, this is grade 11 science subject. Lesson number 9. Topic is heat changes associated with chemical reaction. So I think already you have studied this lesson, but I think my effort will be helpful to recall your memory. So there are two reactions. What is those? Exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. These pictures also show what is exothermic and endothermic reaction. That means when reacting some chemical, it absorbs energy from the outside. That we call exothermic reaction. Okay, that we can observe that absorbing energy from the outside, we can feel high temperature from the beaker if we touch that. Then endothermic means when reacting some chemical, it releases energy for the outside. So this picture shows what is exothermic and endothermic reaction. In this beaker, some chemicals are mixing that absorb energy from the outside. Those called exothermic reaction. Then endothermic reaction means it releases energy for the outside. So we can feel cool temperature from that beaker when touch that. Then that we'll have in your textbook activity 8.1. They told you have to take materials, 2 small beakers, a thermometer. Thermometer means we use that in equipment for measure the temperature, and glass rod we use for the mixing the chemicals. Okay. Then solid sodium hydroxide and solid ammonium chloride. Okay. We are going to observe what happens when mixing those chemicals separately in a water. Okay. For that you have to take 2 beakers. First you mix sodium hydroxide into the water and mix with it glass rod, and at the beginning and after the chemical reaction, after put that sodium hydroxide into beaker, you have to measure the temperature. So another beaker you should mix the solid ammonium chloride with water and stir with glass rod and record the temperature at the beginning and after the reaction. What happened? So I mentioned here what is the results. So you can observe when mixing solid sodium hydroxide in water, temperature will be rise because the temperature increase because of the loss of heat. And another reaction, solid ammonium chloride when mixing in water, it absorbs energy from the outside. So the temperature change can be considered as a measure of the amount of heat either evolved or absorbed. Okay. From the today I will stop in here. So next day I will explain rest of the thing. So you can give your idea about this, and I can explain another lesson also if you mention what you need next. Okay, thank you.